Hello everybody, Grant Sleep here from Ace Communications. Today I'm going to introduce you to ICOM's A16E Airband radio. When you get the Airband radio in its box, you will receive the basic user manual, you will receive the radio, you will receive its battery, you will receive its antenna, you will also receive the charging pocket along with its charging AC adapter. You will get a lanyard, a wrist lanyard, and you will also receive a belt clip. Once you've unpacked your box and your radio is out of the box, you need to put the battery onto the radio. Fit the battery onto the radio by inserting the base of the battery into the radio and just pushing it until you hear a solid click. You then need to put the antenna onto the radio. Put the antenna onto the radio and there's a bayonet fitting. Once it goes over the bayonet, turn it until it locks into place. Once it's locked into the place, the antenna can't be taken off. Charge the radio for a minimum of 16 hours on your initial charge. Drop it into the charger and connect the charger to AC. When you start charging the radio, the front light will go yellow. Once that front light turns green, the radio will be fully charged. To operate the radio, on the top of the radio you have got an on-off volume button. Turn the radio on by rotating the button clockwise. The radio will power itself up. Once you've powered the radio, you need to set its squelch level. The squelch level settings are the two buttons on the side of the radio. Button down will close it, will open the squelch. Button up will tighten the squelch. Put the squelch up at about a setting of 3 to 4. Let's put it at 4 for now. You're trying to set the squelch so that the radio is quiet. You're not hearing the squelch audio, but you don't want to tighten the squelch too much so that weak signals can still come into the radio. Once you've set your squelch and you've turned the radio on, you can now set frequencies. Your operational frequency can be set in two ways. You can either set the operational frequency by using the up-down arrow keys on the front of the radio. Up and down arrow keys will set the frequency up and down, or you can key the frequency directly into the radio by using the keypad. So let's put a frequency in of 125, 200. So you go 1, 2, 5, 2, and then push the enter key, which is the bottom right-hand key, and it will put that frequency into the radio. You are now ready for operation. To transmit, you have a PTT button on the side of the radio. You would be transmitting there and talking into the microphone. You can also put memory frequencies into the radio. In other words, putting the frequency into the radio, you can put it into the memory so that you don't have to keep keying it in. The basic user manual that comes with the radio does not explain to you how to put frequencies into memory. You would need to go to the ICOM website and download the user manual, the complete user manual on the radio. If you have any further questions on the A16E, please contact your radio dealer. And please remember to keep watching our YouTube channel for all future videos. Thank you very much.